Hello students, today we are going to learn articles, chapter number 4. In this chapter we are going to learn the articles. Okay, there are three main articles, article A and the. So in this chapter we are going to learn about indefinite and definite articles, how to use of them, and when we do not have to use these articles in the sentences. So let's learn. In English, there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. In definite article, we use the, and in indefinite, we use a or an. Okay, let's see the example. I want to buy a shirt. Can I have an egg for breakfast? Please pass the salt. Okay, in these sentences, we have used the article like a, an, or the. Okay, see, as you can see, the articles are used before the noun, shirt, breakfast, salt, like this. Also, these articles points out which person or thing is being referred to, and it tells us whether that person or thing being mentioned in a general or a specific sense. When it's a specific, we use the. When it's a general, we use a or an. Now let's learn the difference between definite and indefinite articles. A and an are the indefinite article. Okay, which are these? A and an. Yes. Why? Because these do not point out any specific person, place or thing. For example, there is a car near the gate. Okay, a car. Second example, please send me an email about your plans. Okay, an email. Here in the first sentence we have used here a car because they have not specifically told which name of the car, otherwise whose car, it's not told, so it's a general. Second one also like this only, it's not a being spoken about any email, so specific email, so it's an email. Now let's learn more information about definite article. As we know, the definite article is word the. So when we use definite article, when we are talking about a specific or particular place or thing. For example, this is the house I live in. The wall around the garden is quite high. Here in this example, the house and the garden are the, and this these are the articles. Okay, the house means that speaker lives in. He has specifically mentioned that one. Okay, and second is what? The garden, and the garden means mention that particular garden. That's why we have used this article. Now let's learn the difference between a and an. As we know, the article a and an are used before the singular and countable noun. It should be some singular and countable. Singular means what? Single, one, and countable means those can count. For example, a chair, a bird, a pencil, like this. An orange, an enemy, an as. These are some vowels. Okay, see here. Whenever any words begins with a vowel, we have to use an. There are 5 types of vowels: A, E, I, O, U, as you know. Now next, A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Just now we have learnt about the vowel, and whatever left, these all are consonant sound. See, a towel, a scarf, a pen. These towel, scarf, pen, these all three are begins with consonant. Okay, that's why we have used here a. We also say a university, a union, a European. You might have been thinking why they have used here a, because these words begins with u, but the pronunciation is of consonant sound. For example, y. That's why we have used here a, like a university, u. That one, it begins with like a y. Now next is what? An is used before a singular and countable nouns that begins with a vowel sound. See here, an apple, it's a singular. An egg. Second, if the word begins with an unsounded, like H is silent here, an R, an honest person, an honorable. So here H is silent. Okay. While writing we write H, but while reading we skip the H and we read the sentence like word like an R, an honest, an honorary, like this. Last is what? Before the abbreviation. where the first letter is pronounced beginning with a vowel sound and is used. Abbreviations means what? Wherever have written the short form, that time how to use the articles. For example, MP. Here an MP and MBA. See the pronunciation. It's like an vowel. Next, uses of the indefinite article. A or an is used before a singular countable noun mentioned in a general sense to mean any one of its kind. As we learned before it, what they have given again, you have to use this a or an when we are talking about a general sense, general talking. Okay, please get me a new pen. Not given a specific name of pen like gel pen, black pen, red pen. Like this, it's not given. So we have used here a. Anil is a banker. Here, not a specific banker, any bank name, otherwise not mentioned. Here his post. So we have written here A. We use article the before the sacred books. Okay, names of sacred books and newspaper, as well as the well-known buildings. For example, the Gita, it's a sacred book. The Times of India newspaper, the Taj Mahal. Okay, this is the well-known building, so that time we can use the before it. Second rule is what? When we are talking about a unique things. Okay, for example, these are the universal things, the sun, the moon, the sky. That time we can use the, because these are only one and it's a universal. Third rule is what? When we are talking about ordinal numbers and expressions like middle, top, only, same, whole, etc. The second girl in the first row is my sister. Okay, in this sentence we have used the article the to show the number and ordinal numbers. Next rule is what? When we are giving some emphasis on that particular word, that time we use word the. We use article the. Globalization is the order of the day. Second, before the nationalities and communities, but not before the names of language. Okay, for example, we can't write the English, the maths like this. Okay, never we can't write it like this. But see the example here, the Chinese are hardworking people. Here in this sentence we are talking about the Chinese people. Okay, not a Chinese language, so that time we can use here the. And second one is what? The Spanish is a difficult language. We can't hear here the Spanish. You can't see. We can't use this. So what we have to write? What is the correct? Spanish is a difficult language. This is the correct one. We use a before a singular countable noun which is mentioned for the first time. See the example. I have never seen a partridge. Partridge is what? The name of bird. Second, I saw a tiger in the jungle. A tiger. It's a singular and he had seen the first time. That's why he has used here a. Before an expression of quantity, we use a. For example, a couple, a dozen, like this. Before the units of price also, whatever speed, ratio and weight, for that we use a. A liter, a kilo, 100. These all are the some measurements, some are the weights. Now see second one. Before the certain numbers, a billion, 1,000 rupees. With half, when half follows a whole. For example, one and a half. If you are saying the time to your friend, I will meet you 1.5 hour after. Okay, like this. In expression of frequency, twice a day, thrice a month, like this we use a. In certain exclamatory expressions also, what a pity, we have used here a. Means whenever you are going to express any expressions, we have to use the a. What a beautiful shot, that shot was beautiful, like that. Now let's solve the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite articles. As we have learned, indefinite articles means a and an. Madhav is dash honest man. Here pronunciation of honest. Okay, Here H is silent. That's why we have used here an. Second, iron is a metal. As we know, whenever we are talking about any metal, we have to use a. He is studying to be dash engineer. E is an vowel. That's why we are going to use here an. Aladdin found dash magic lamp. A magic lamp. Because first time we know about it. Otherwise he is talking about it. We need nails and dash hammer. A hammer. Sri Lanka is dash island. It's a an because I is an vowel. Dash European and dash American were traveling together. Here, European. This pronunciation begins with Y. That's why we have used here A. A European. And here an American. A is pronunciation of A. It's a vowel. That's why we have used here an. Eighth one. Do we need to take dash umbrella? Here also an. Pronunciation of vowel is given here. Umbrella, a. Not umbrella. We never say umbrella. What do we say? Umbrella. So pronunciation of a. It's a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. In that first vowel is a. That one. Next one example. Dash day or 2 later she visited me. As we know, whenever we are talking about the time, otherwise any number, that time we use a. Like a day or 2 later she visited me. Now see the 10th one example. She bought a pen, an eraser and a marker. Here eraser is an vowel, that's why we have an, and others are consonant, that's why we use here a. Next, an owl, an owl flew in through my window. See here, an owl. This is the bird name. It begins with a vowel. That's why we have used here an. 12th, he used a kind of lasso for catching cattle. 13th, Divya has an awesome pair of sunglasses. Awesome. This word begins with vowel. That's why an. Charles Dickens was a great novelist. Okay, here we have used a because first time we are going to learn about it. Okay, Charles Dickens. I would love to have a big closet with 100 shoes. Both are consonant here. That's why, and it's talking about a one thing. That's why we use here a. Now let's discuss more about the definite article the. We use article the before the person, place or thing which are mentioned specifically or particularly. For example, I have lost the hat that you have gave me. Here the hat means it's a mention about a particular hat. Second, we use article the to a person or thing that is well known to us. Means when we are familiar with that time we use the article the. If you are going to talk about first time, you have to use a. But when you are going to talk about it second time, you have to use the. See here, let's go to the park. The park means that park is already it's familiar with you. You often go to that park. See, we use article the to refer the something or someone already mentioned before. As I just now I told you, first time if you are not familiar with it, you have to use a, and second time use the. A thief entered our house, and second sentence here the thief. Okay, why? Because you are familiar with that thief, you are second time you are talking about it. That's why we have used here the thief was caught. Next rule, when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, there are the this rule is having the exceptions about the human being. Okay, when you are talking about a animal, that time you can apply this rule. The lion is the king of the jungle. Here the lion, okay, it's an article because this particular animal represents the king of whole jungle. Means whatever other animals are there, he is the king of that animals. Second one, the cow is a beautiful animal. However, when we refer to mankind as a class, we do not apply this rule. See, this rule is not applying for the mankind. For example, man is responsible for harming the environment. The environment. Here, actually, we are going to make a responsible for person, man, but it's here given it's a the environment. So it can't show the whole class. It not represents the whole class. Today, women work both at home and outside in many countries of the world. Okay, the world. So what you have learned it here, this rule is not applied for the mankind. Okay, don't use for it. It's used for only for the animals, the lion, the cow, like this. We also use the with the names of seas, oceans, gulfs, rivers, and not only lakes. Okay, we can use it seas, oceans, gulfs, and rivers, but with not whom lakes. Okay, if lakes are there, don't use the before it. Next, groups of islands. Whenever you are talking about any island, write before it the. Mountain ranges, but not a mountain peaks. You can use the with ranges of mountain. Ranges means what? Many are there in the line sequence. You can count it 3, 4 like this ranges. But if you are talking about a mountain peaks, you can't use it. Now let's discuss when not to use the article. See, indefinite article, as we know the indefinite articles are a and an, and when we should not have to use it. See, first rule, when we are talking about uncountable noun, we can't use the article a. Okay, we can't write like this a rice. What we have to write? A handful of rice. Why we are writing like this? Because a rice is wrong, because it is a rice is uncountable. That's why we have to write like this, a handful of rice. A piece of news, we can't write like this, only a news. Don't use article a with news. You can write a piece of news. Okay, second rule is what? Before names of meals. You can't use like this, a lunch, a breakfast, a dinner, like this. Okay, what we have to write? Lunch starts at 1 p.m. I am having breakfast, like this. But if you are talking about a specific meal, special meal, so you can use a or an. For example, a dinner in his honor. Third rule is what? When you are talking any names, okay, any seasonal names, you can't use a. For example, summer, winter. Next is what? Parts of the body. A heart, a stomach, it's a wrong. Or what is the correct? Heart and stomach. Now let's learn when to not have to use the article the. When you are talking about a proper noun, that time you can't use article the. For example, Rajesh is my friend. I can't say the Rajesh is my friend. Okay, wrong it is. Whenever we are talking about any proper name, we can't use article the. Okay, it's very simple. Before the name, don't write the. Second rule is what? Before the names of any language, means English, French, Marathi, Hindi, whatever. For example, I would like to learn French. You can't write like this, I would like to learn the French. Wrong it is. Okay, what you have to write? Learn French. I would like to learn French. Third rule is what? Before the names of any sport. Any sports, so like cricket, tennis. Okay, don't use the. Write only I play tennis. Next rule, before the names of cities, don't write the Pune, the Mumbai, like this. Okay, the Lucknow, the London. No, I live in Lucknow. It's a correct. I live in the Lucknow. It's a incorrect. Second, in certain idiomatic expressions and specific phrases. Okay, by bus, on foot, at dinner, in town, like this. Now let's solve the exercise B. In exercise B and C, fill in the blanks with a or an. Put a cross where no article is required. First, never tell a lie. Second, she is an MP. He is an honest man. Fourth, Arjun has a headache. This is dash news to me. Okay, no article will be used here. It's a news. Okay, word is what? News. See, no need of article here. Sixth one, it is a quarter to 10. Give me an orange, a plum, an apple, and a guava. Eighth, Here no need of any article because it's a metal. Gold is a precious metal. Ninth one, a newspaper. It's printed on cross. Okay, no article is needed here. Paper. On the paper, on a paper, no need of article. No need of any article. Tenth one, he is a European who lives in India. Okay, no article it's needed here before the name of any country. Now let's solve exercise C. There is a famous shop in the town. It has a lot of gift items. It also sells artificial jewelry. Artificial jewelry before this noun, no need of any article. See, an old woman runs the store. It was earlier owned by an English woman. There is an annual sale every year. Then there is a great rush at the shop. It is closed on Sundays. Full stop. Okay, before Sunday, it's the name of day, so no need of any article. Now let's solve the exercise D. Question, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Put a cross in the blanks where no article is required. I am going to read it, listen it carefully and fill in your textbook. Mr. Grable is an officer in the Ministry External Affairs. He is posted in the Netherlands. He is the youngest officer there. He loves his work and plays the games of squash in the evening for breakfast. He has an egg, an apricot, and a cup of coffee. Second, when the principal saw Raman and Ahmed fighting, he expelled the two boys from the school. The action taken by the principal was an unexpected one. The parents of the two boys were sent for during the school hours. They came within an hour and a half. See how the articles are used here. Already we have discussed it very well. So we have completed this all. Third one, I was an eyewitness to an accident on the Delhi Punjab railway line. I was travelling by the Punjab Mail. I was first asleep when I heard the crash which woke me up with a jerk. The train had stopped. One could hear the cries and shouts. It took a few minutes before we came to realize that our train had collided with a goods trains coming from the opposite directions. Now let's solve the exercise E. Insert articles where necessary and rewrite the sentences. First, Amazon is the longest river in the world. Here Amazon is the name of river, so we are going to add the in the beginning. So answer is what? The Amazon is the longest river in the world. Second sentence, I went to buy Arab horse. Okay, here Arab is an the word Arab is started with a, it begins with a vowel, so use here article an. So what is the answer? I went to buy an Arab horse. Third one, deeper the well, better the house. Okay, this is the idiom, so before it use the deeper the well, better the water. You are here we are going to use a. Why? Because you are full to talk like this. Here which article is needed here? A fool. Because it mentioned for a person and it's a singular. Dog is considered to be faithful animal. Here it's the dog we are going to use. Why the dog? Because this is the class which is denotes or it refers to the other classes, other dogs. These all are faithful animals. Next up, this is a romantic novel. Here a romantic would come. Okay, why? It's a singular and it begins with a consonant sound. See here, old man is walking on the road. The first word of this old, it's this letter begins with an vowel, so we are going to use an old man is walking on the road. Eighth one, a bird in hand is worth two in bush. Ninth, do you know which is the cleanest city in the world? Here would come the cleanest. Okay. 10th, the soldier tries his best to get the horse to walk, but it did not move inch. the soldier, and the horse would come. What do you want to become? A banker or a writer? Okay, a banker and a writer would come. 12th, the Great Barrier Reef, located off coast of Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system. Okay, the Great here would come and the world's, like this articles would come. I hope you all have understood this lesson very well. Learn the taught rules and do practice of the given exercises. Thank you.